my gosh, guys, it's elimination time. All of you laughed last time and I'm very disappointed. So one of you will be gone. Alright, just get to the point already. If you're safe, you're gonna get a lime, I guess. Oh my god, the purple one's out. I'm out? But why? Hey, what does that gun do? Oh, I forgot. If you won last episode's challenge, you get an award, I guess. Okay, so your second challenge is to grab an acorn out of the tree and give it to me. And I'll rate it a 1 out of 10. I guess how it tastes. Okay, now go. All of these suck. 0 out of 10. Well, I'm getting immunity with this guy because I like green and he's green. Well, I'm trash. What?